In this today's tutorial, we are going to see how we can do spatial join analysis in QGIS. The main objective of today's tutorial is to see how we can extract the attribute information from one data to another data. What I mean to say here is, suppose here we have two kind of data set. One is polygon type data represented by this building, this gray color you can see here. This is a polygon kind of data, and let's see its attribute table, and we don't have any kind of attribute information here for these buildings. Let's say owner name, phone number, building number, and so on. But we have another kind of data called house, and let's say open its attribute table, and this house attribute table, this has got all the attribute information that we needed in this building. So now the thing here is, I want to get the attribute information of this point data within this building, of that individual building, and to do this analysis, to get this attribute information in this building, in each building where this point data overlays with this building data, in such case we can use this Spatial Join Intersect tool. And in today's tutorial we are going to do the same. And so what the first step that you need to do for that is, you need to go to processing toolbox, simply right click this white space area, then just tick this processing toolbox panel option. Once you tick there, you simply go to search and simply go to search here. Join attributes by location. In Victoria General section, you are going to get this option. Simply double left click there, and you are going to see this kind of interface. And now in this parameters tab, there are two options. One is base layer, another is join layer. This base layer means simply that data, that input data where you want that additional information to be joined. In my case, this is the building data. In this building data, I want to join this house information, and join layer means which is the, here in this case it is simply the house. Join layer means that data was information you want to extract, which was information you want to get in another layer, and in this case house is that information which I want in this building. So since Spatial Join has different types, and here it's showing different kind of types. For in this case, this tutorial is about intersects, and since these two data overlay each other, and for this tutorial we are going to use this intersects tool. And here is another option, fields to add, leave empty to use all fields. What this is this house has got this 5 kind of fields, and if you want to choose the particular kind of field, you can simply tick it and click on OK. But if you don't tick any options, then by default you are going to get all these options. Okay, these all 5 fields will be shown to you, once the things are joined. And another option is join type. Here are 3 kind of options. This first and second one does the same thing. So I'm going with the first one by default, which is there. And at last there is output option where you want to keep that join layer. Simply left click these 3 dot icons, then go to save to file. Once you go there, you can say here, and simply save it. Okay, simply run. Now you can see here. Okay, now this is what we needed. Let's right click here and go to its attribute table. Now you can see here. Now here are 6 kind of data set that building have got this building data have got now this attribute information, and the new layer in form of join we have got this new year. And you can notice here only this only six data are filled with house number, owner name and other information, and rest of all the buildings are null, because there were in rest of the buildings there were no any point data. But if there were point data in all these buildings, you could have got information filled with here as well. So basically this is a very important kind of analysis, because normally what we do is we digitalize the buildings from satellite imageries, and when we digitalize the buildings from satellite imageries, we don't have that attribute information. We go to the real field to get that attribute information. And once we have collected the data from the real field, and we do such kind of analysis to abstract that attribute information from real field to those digitalized buildings. In such cases, this analysis may be really useful. So this much for today. Thank you viewers for watching this tutorial. We are going to meet soon in upcoming other videos. So thank you viewers for today.